Hi. Can you see? Anyway, let me see this. There. Okay. So, I'm over here just relaxing and shit. And you know all the fucking building that they took down? You know that building that they took down? I think they had to do it to get rid of the evidence of the people and the kids and the evidence and everything they did illegally here. Murdering kids, raping kids, and it's fucking fucked up shit. And then, anyway, the place that, and there's this whole street, there's a lot of building has been destroyed. And I think they were hiding the evidence, Ace also, because that fucking Ano Ama was fucking, it was not my husband. He is an imposter. He's involved. He's fucked up. Because everybody that he they disappeared. Their business disappeared. And the building disappeared. And shit. The car dealer over there, they're involved. Because my friend, Norman, we went to 6th Ward together. I think they murdered him. You know the hospital? They probably have like murdered people in the hospital and they bring the evidence to hide here and shit. Just yeah. But there's more I don't remember, but it's so windy here. And I'm gonna walk to the bus stop with the police station. They're also dirty. And the dentist, the whole building over there, everybody's there, they're hella dirty. Everybody here. Shady shit. And you know what? So, say that these place cheated on voting and shit, they have something to do with that. They cheat because the lady at the Hurricane Community Center, she lied to me. She was telling me other bullshit. And then she changed her mind when I called the state. So if they're cheating, then everyone cheated. The fucking American shit and the president. It's a fucked up mess. But I'm still gonna vote though. But still, they have to do something different. So these fucking dirty hand motherfucker can't handle shit like that anymore because they're stealing and murdering and God knows what else.